Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya again welcome you all to my channel. So Independence Day is coming to the corner and we Indians have a lot of importance of Independence Day in our life. So today I have made this Independence Day special necklace set for you all. After watching this tutorial, you will really enjoy making this necklace set and also will definitely love to wear. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. And do let me know, being the adult, how do you celebrate the Independence Day? And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first we have to take a round MDF and cover it with the orange fabric. We are going to make this in orange and green fabric, and the white will be used in like kundans and this design. So apply the fabric glue, and then I'm taking this white shade of kundan and will add over here in the middle, and then I'm taking this leaf shape kundan and then we'll make a flower out of it. So just add one kundan over here and then add another kundan in a like vertical way, not in a straight way, so forming a shape like this. And then in the middle of this again we will add a white kundan, white round shape kundan. So this is small shape kundan that we will apply like this. So in the same I'll cover all the flower, so this is how it will look. And then I'll flip the side and we are gonna add jump eye pins to this because we didn't have to add other shape. So we are gonna add four eye pins, two opposite to each other, and then over here we'll apply this. So this particular MDF has only one hole which is not useful for this design, so we will apply the eye pin. And then we'll wait for a while to get this dry, and till the time we'll do further work. So I'm taking this shape and we'll cover it with the green fabric, and then again I'm gonna add this leaf shape or kundan over here. Now I'm using this fabric glue so that we can just see how much time it takes to dry. And then I'm taking this crystal colored kundans, round kundans, and we'll apply it to all over, and above this we'll apply this white kundan. And in the same way we will do some design over here. So I'll apply the fabric glue, and then we'll add one white kundan, and then I'm gonna add some leaf shape kundan. So it's totally up to you that what do you want to design and what do you want to do. It's totally like whatever you want, any design, whatever you want. If you want to add some golden beads, you can add that. So in the same way I have to do for both so I have done this, and I have added this eye pins to the first, and we'll add it to over here also. And I just forgot that we have to add eye pins to here because we have to add pearls over there. So we'll add that quickly. Now we'll add pearl laurels to this orange one. So for that I'm taking this laria and we'll take the 0 size golden bead in this, and then we'll add this asymmetrical pearl. I'm not taking the regular white pearl, this is asymmetrical pearl, and then we'll wrap it. And in the same way I'll do for all this, so I'll quickly do that. And see, this is how it looks. I had added 3 pearls over here, and now we'll attach this all 3 pieces together with the help of this eye pin. So we'll open this carefully with the help of plier, and then apply this. Just make sure that you are checking the position of each and then applying it, otherwise again you have to do the double work. So apply that accordingly and then add it. So in the same way I'll quickly do for all and I'll come back to you. So guys, do let me know, being an adult, how do you celebrate Independence Day? Do you go in a school, or do you celebrate in the office, or do you rest at home, or any other way? I prefer to go in a school nearby and celebrate that with the kids. So I applied it over here, and this is how it looks. Now we are gonna add this gantan mala. So this is not a regular gantan mala, this has a like long beads. So guys, we have attached this and this is how it looks. Now we'll add this gantan mala. So this is not the regular gantan mala, this has long beads, and with the help of plier we will open this eye pin and we'll add one gantan mala. So, and we'll close it very carefully and make sure that there is no gap remaining, because these gantan mala are very thin, and if there is a gap it will come out easily. So in this we have applied 3 gantan malas to this side and other side also. Now I will take the 3-hole connector and with the help of jump ring we will insert this gantan mala and we'll stick them together. So in this way I'll apply to all. So this is how we have done it, and now we'll just apply the necklace dori to this. So I'm taking this necklace dori and there is a hole as you can see, and we'll add one gantan mala over here and we'll insert this in the hole of this 3-hole connector. And that's it guys, with this cute pendant is ready. It's very easy to make and will give a very stylish look for your Independence Day look. Also make sure that you will be there is no gap or overlapping remaining over here, otherwise it will come out. So make sure to attach it very properly. So and this necklace is very easy to make. It's just the matter of the glue should stick, and you can also add any other design also. I just took in this shape of like peacock kind, because peacock is a national bird of India. And now for the earrings, so I have followed the same pattern the way we did this orange round, and I just applied 5 pearl laurels in that. And in this way this necklace is ready. So do try to make this necklace set and do wear it on your Independence Day celebration. And don't forget to share your photos with me on the Instagram. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.